These are the ones I had posted. And we sell them locally for $20. And if we ship them, they're $25 just because they're big. They're big and we have to make special boxes for them. So I will have an assortment of these as well up at Dollars and Cents. In fact, I'll probably take some up tomorrow. And I've had a couple people ask for teal ones, and he has the garage full of the little ones, so after the little ones are all put together, he'll be making some teal ones. And I guess this is so big it's going to take a little bit so you can see the whole thing. Oh, there we go. And these are made out of cedar or treated fence boards. Look at my little gnome house I'm working on. I've only been working on it forever. I still got the 2 sides to do. And that'll be in my live sale next. Oh. So this one is going to be for a business that ordered this. And a business out in Las Vegas, Nevada. And so the name of her shop is Spreading Daisies. I keep saying simply, and I just have this horrible, horrible feeling that I'll write it wrong. Not Simply Daisies, Spreading Daisies. So I kind of painted over this one in white because after I'm done with the wording, I'll go back over and do the line work. I don't want it to be too busy. And you talk about tough to paint on. This stuff is so rough that for me to paint hello or this long saying, it takes a while. And to make sure it's going to be straight across. And we hope it fits across there. So I'm just going to put it in lightly, and then I'll go back and make them wider. It might work. I think it's going to work. Perfect. So now you see how I've got to go through and fill that all in. Okay, and then That's a problem when you have a long word and a shorter word. Getting them both to look the same size. So you know what I'm going to have to do? I'm going to have to paint it black again. I'm going to have to start the S over here because now this word looks too small compared to that word. And luckily this is what we do to them anyway. The petals are all, are you kidding me? The petals are all coated black and then we apply the colors to them. So I wait for that to dry, and of course I splattered some here. When this is all done, I'll take a picture of it, and I assure you it'll look a lot better. Oh my. They should all have the same amount of letters. So I'm going to, and this one is going to take a while because I'm going to need a bigger brush to get that all drawn in. Well, it's still light out. I've got to not only finish cooking chicken, but I've got to take my dog for a bike ride. We rode out Washington Street last night, which is probably, I don't know, 2 or 3 miles to my daughter's house. And I've never rode out there before because she just moved there. And I forgot how many hills you had to go up and down to get there. So my Yorkie, she loves to ride. I've got a basket in front. Never tries to jump out. She just loves to ride on the bike. So now that it's out and my husband got it all repaired for summer, it's back to bike rides every night. Hi, Denise. Okay, guys, I'm not going to bore you with having to watch me fill that in, but I will put a picture up once it's done so you can see that I actually fixed it. So, I'm going to jump off of here. I hope you all had a great Memorial Day and a 3-day weekend. I didn't get a day off. I'm back to still at work tomorrow here. So, I will probably hop on here again tomorrow night. So, thank you all for joining me. Good night.